Welcome to the Kentico Xperience Getting Started tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the basics of working with the Xperience administration interface. After your Xperience website installs, it automatically opens in a browser. Type /admin in the URL of your browser to get into the administration interface. Sign in by typing administrator as the username and leave the password blank. This is the default administration account. After signing in, you'll navigate to what we call the application dashboard. The application dashboard displays applications representing different functionality in the system, for example, forms, pages, or media libraries. Applications and other objects on the dashboard are shown here as tiles. To open the application, click its tile. Let's open the Forms application, which allows you to build online forms and collect data from your website visitors. You can return to the dashboard from any part of the system by clicking the Header's Home button. You can also access the applications through the list of applications you open by clicking the Xperience icon. The list shows all the applications that you are allowed to access. Take the time to locate the Pages application now. The Pages application is where website editors spend most of their time working on the website's content. Clicking the question mark icon in the system header opens the Help toolbar. The toolbar shows you the version of your Xperience application and also links to the documentation pages. The links displayed in the toolbar's drop-down list are contextual. They change based on the opened application and offer users the most relevant information and instructions. For example, in the Pages application, you can find links to instructions on creating new pages or working with widgets. Clicking the link takes you to the home page for Xperience documentation located at docs.xperience.io. As you've seen in this video, the Xperience administration interface is really user-friendly. I hope you'll enjoy using it.